All downhill.
Baby Animal Days, one of northern Utah's favorite springtime events.
My two best friends drove up from Salt Lake just to come for Baby Animal Days.
Children and even adults couldn't resist holding these cute little animals. Chicks, piglets, and even bunnies were a big hit in the petting zoo. But the main attraction were the baby bears from Yellowstone.
The baby bears were my favorite.
Volunteers at all ages helped at this event.
Have people to have a chance to know the goats, to see what they feel like, to see how they act.
While other volunteers helped groom the animals.
So as I do the cutting, I'm not cutting with the blades parallel to the skin because I can pinch and cut them. But as I slide the lower blade in and I close it, I tip it up.
But if volunteering isn't your thing, there are other ways you can help out the animals. You can actually go home with some of these little furry creatures. Or you can always keep your distance. Courtney Robinson, ATV News.